Oh. Hey, uh... Hi. Who... Who are you? Okay. Okay. Axe. Nope. Fuck. Whoa. Oh, this is different. Oh, not. Okay, well, what the fuck was the point then? Sorry? What? We're finally here. It's been a while. I've been looking for time to finally get this going. But I'm finally here. It's finally time. Sons of the Forest. I hear stuff. Oh, it looks amazing. Yo. So is this the same island, or is it a different one? Okay, lightning strike. On the mountain. Not suspicious at all. Oh. Hey, Hi. Who are you? Okay. Who the fuck was that? I need... like, medium. There we go. Wow. And it still runs like ass. Hey, buddy. Kelvin! There we go. He's back. He's... Oh! Build a fire. Okay, that's sick. Open emergency pack. Yes, okay. Click the gear. Alright. What do we got? GPS, tactical axe, and lighter, and guidebook. Okay. Let me equip the axe. Hell yeah. Whoa. Okay. Build shelter. Yeah. Sorry if it's not running very well. It doesn't look amazing on my screen either. I did not realize that the performance would be this good, I guess. I don't know. Are these our other... Yeah, these are our other friends. Can I not break them down? No, I cannot. What about you? Nope. Can I pick up your helmet? Nope. Okay. Where did Kelvin go? He kind of disappeared. Okay. Yep, open inventory, we got that. Equip your GPS tracker. Find the Puffton family and find Team B. Ooh. Yo. Okay. This looks like a different island. This island looks bigger, the mountains look bigger. I don't think this is the same place as the first game. Oh my god. 3 spiders come out of them now? Why? Oh. Well, what was the point of that? Holy shit. Okay. Interesting. And combine it with the utility knife. Oh my god, there's like animations for stuff too. Bro, what? That's so fucking sick. Light color, power on. Yo! You got the RGB fucking crafting mat? That's sick. This game's amazing. Hi Kelvin, how you doing? So there's like points of interest. It tells you like where to go on the GPS, which is really not. Oh, helicopter, wait a minute. Can we explore that right now? Or I would assume we need something to go underwater. Yeah, you can't see shit. Also, I haven't seen any other animals. What the oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. Axe, or maybe spear. I don't know. Axe. Okay, they sound the same. Oh, never mind. They do not. Hello there. Wait a minute. Oh, I remember this from the, yeah. She's the chick that helps you and stuff, right? Like she brings you things and everything. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Wait a minute, so many things just clicked in my head that probably should have clicked so much sooner. Because Virginia was the same name as the, like, the mutants with all the legs and stuff. She's got legs. Okay. She dances. Oh, okay. See ya. Weird. Okay. So there's a grave there. Is that what we're supposed to find over here? What am I supposed to do? This way? Man, this lighter is even more useless than the other one. Okay, there we go. That way, I'll color correct it in the video, but that way I can actually see, like, outlines of things a little. Never mind, it's still getting darker somehow. Jesus Christ. If I get attacked, like, in the middle of nowhere, I'm going to freak the fuck out. Because I can't see shit. Wait, can I just make a... Oh! Oh my god. Hi. I have grenades, and I'm not afraid to use them. Oh. That's... Oh my god, that's an amazing change. I would assume that that is a cannibal camp, and there's actually cannibals there. The first game, there's like, whenever you go to those camps, there's, I mean, there's like a likelihood that you still get attacked there and everything, but like, there's usually no one there, and it makes no sense. But there is them there. Oh. Nope. Fuck. Whoa. Oh, this is different. What the hell? Wait, what do I do? Oh, not... Interesting. Okay. Okay, well, what the fuck was the point then? Okay, can't break apart the... What is that? What the fuck? Oh shit, what are you holding? Sorry? What? Oh. What did he just hit me with? What is that? Oh my dear lord. Don't do it. Oh, you have like a gold mask on. Back up, back up, back up. What the fuck? I'm dead. Can I have that? Please? Like, there's one right there. Can I not use it, please? Can I not have that fucking OP weapon? Let me have you. Nope, okay. Just give me my stuff. Wait, what is this a cave entrance? Oh. Okay. Well, I know that's there. Okay, let's make... How do I make a crafted bow? A tape? Yes, sir. Oh. Oh, it's a pouch made out of skin. Oh. Jesus Christ. Okay. That's not what I thought that was. I thought it was a pouch for skins.